Hello and welcome back to the Diamond H. Marty here. Today I'm installing a ignition key switch cover, actually replacing the OEM cover. The white plastic one was getting very weak and was about to crack. I saw an idea on one of the Facebook pages and I thought that was an excellent idea. And that's replacing the factory plastic key cover, ignition switch cover, with a scope cover. And this one is a Butler Creek 33 millimeter. I will put the part number in the description and I will give you a link from my Amazon store. If you want to support my channel, you can purchase it through my link and I will put that down there for you. It's a very easy installation. It just snugly slides over the outer perimeter of the ignition switch. If you want to drill a small drain hole, if your tractor sits out in the open, you can just drill a small drain hole in the bottom of it. It's made out of very hard plastic, almost rubberized. It is flexible, but it has a really good tight snug fit. If you need to take it back off, you can just give it a little twist and pull, and it will come right back off if you need to change anything or clean the switch or whatever you want to do. It's a very simple deal. I was pleased the way it turned out. It looks a lot better than the white plastic ignition key switch cover. And if you have an open station, you might think about putting this on your tractor. If you have a cab tractor, you really don't have to worry about a cover unless you just want one. But I like it, I love it, and I thought I'd share it with you. Y'all take care.